Alrighty, YouTubers. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. We have a special Kickstarter unboxing review. You guys can check them out. The link will be down below, which will connect you to the Kickstarter website, and it's a safe link, so you don't have to worry about any funny stuff. Definitely show your support. Be a backer right now. They got package deals, I do believe, going on, so definitely this is a nice projector. DLP up to 8K converter. I'll show you what it comes with right now. Here's the box. Really nice color. Peace and prosperity. Good luck with all things. And there's the Pazy intelligent projector. See? Pretty simple. But I think this is what I got shipped. It might be different when you get it. More complete. But, you know, you get a remote control with it right here. The Pazy. Nice blue. Got all the buttons. It is AAA batteries. It does come with 2 AAA, so you might want to buy more. It's always a good thing. And you get some converter things right here. And this one is the 8K Ultra HD HDMI converter. You can hook up your PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, laptops, Blu-rays, you name it. You can hook it up to this little guy right here. I can't wait to see the picture quality of that one. It's amazing right now off the DLP quality. I've been watching some YouTube videos. You could do screencasts, watch YouTube, download apps. You can have your Netflix, Disney Plus, Paramount Plus, HBO Max, all that good stuff right there all in one. So it's like a smart hub. This is a 40 Gbps smartphones and whatnot. You can hook up your MacBook. And now this is a 6A 120 watt max USB HDMI or USB straight up. So you get these 3 little things, the remote control. You get, of course, the power converter. Oh, you could charge it too. It is full true wireless movie projector. Here's the cord. It's already plugged into the wall. Since it's fully charged now, I can take it out, at least show you guys that it is truly wireless. Autofocus. You don't really need a projector screen. I mean, you could just do it off the wall or anything like this, you know. See, it fits it right in the size. Like so. Zoom in, zoom out. So you can watch it at work, play some games. Here's the back end. Super quiet fan, you can hear it. There's the power buttons, OK mode, to switch to HDMI mode, and the settings in the menu. So you can hook it up to everything. This is like a smart projector, if you know what I mean. Settings. Yeah, you could have a Bluetooth surround sound, Bluetooth speaker, projection. What is that? Oh, you could change it right there. Projection mode. So yeah, this thing has it all. This little dude, I'll show you more. You could bounce it off the ceiling, date and time. I think it's all good because I'm connected to the internet using the Wi-Fi, which is easy to set up. Oh, did I freeze it? I think I pressed too many buttons at once. Let me put this down right there. See, look at that. That's perfect. So if you got a small dorm or college or apartment, this would be a nice one to have. Because school is starting up, kiddies. There we go. But yeah, definitely a nice one to watch sports. Movies. Gaming. We'll zoom in a little bit. I think it's like 100 inch or 120. So you got other apps you could choose some. There we go. basics right there. But like I said, you can also add, if you have a Fire Stick, you can add that to the HDMI, convert that to 8K, which is really top of the line right now. What is this? Oh, storage, internal storage. So you can always save stuff to it. It's always a good thing to know. But we'll go YouTube land because I already installed the app. And we'll play one of my videos, show you guys. That is really nice. I'm going to sign in as a guest. I don't feel like setting up my account. I can search. Search. There I am. Here's my videos. But yeah, really easy to connect to the Wi-Fi. No problems. Come on. I think you can change the focus. Yeah, you can change the focus with this button right here. Focus. And back. Oh. Because if I click on that Domino's commercial, it might say it's copyrighted. You know how that goes. Very sensitive. This could be sometimes. But yeah, I mean, this thing. Oh no. I would definitely get this thing. So really cool projector. If I could get this going. You can have it up on the ceiling. Let me shut the light off. You can see that right there. And you can take this on the road with you. Swinging. Super lightweight. You can add a tripod to it if you need it. There's where the cord goes to charge it. Green light's on. But yeah, I mean, this sounds not too bad for what it is. But like I said, if you want the true everything, you might want to just hook it up to a Bluetooth speaker, soundbar. You're shining off the table. Look at that. Bada boom, bada bing, and it still auto corrects itself. And you get to do the autofocus with the remote control. So yeah, super lightweight, guys. Amazing technology coming from Pazy. So check them out. Be safe and have a good night.